Ready, get set, go. Doubled, nice. Double it again. This thing's just such a machine, guys. Ooh, nosedived it. Doubled it, kind of. Shortcut. Ooh, almost two-wheeled it. Some decent laps I'm getting in. The dust is rolling though. Off the track. Right here the suspension gets a little disrupted, trying to turn and also give it power through those whoops. But these shocks do work amazingly well. Very good shocks. Ooh, upright. Ah, bummer. Tipped it. Well, this is going to be the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you guys in another video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed.